Hey everyone, have you ever been in a situation where you're using WhatsApp Web on your PC and the message tone keeps interrupting your work? Well, guess what? In the new update, you can now easily silence those annoying message tones. Let me show you how. First, open your WhatsApp Web account on your PC. Once you're logged in, look for the gear icon on the top right corner of the screen. Click on it to access the settings menu. Next, click on the Notifications tab. Here, you'll find various options to customize your notification settings. Look for the option that says Sounds and toggle it off to disable all message tones. And just like that, you've successfully silenced the message tones on WhatsApp Web on your PC. Now you can enjoy using WhatsApp Web without any interruptions. So, if you're someone who values peace and quiet while working on your PC, make sure to follow these simple steps to silence the message tones on WhatsApp Web. Trust me, it'll make a world of difference. Thanks for watching and happy chatting on WhatsApp Web.